Just making some coffee. Copying and pasting money. Okay, come on. What? Is that a birdie? I got a birdie. Printing your pets. Check out the pizza printer. Oh man. And action. Taking a soccer ball and pumping it up. Whoa, Mark! Oh! Hey, Ryan, we gotta go. Oh, Ryan, there you are.
What are you doing,
I'm
man?
looking for you.
Hold on for a second. How do I look?
Great. Oh, get on a suit.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, do you see him? Get him over there.
Take out the trash.
1 sec. Sorry, I'm back.
That's really why I like multiplication, because it's
I'm
really
gonna go check on the laundry.
okay.
We like to keep laundry fun. Oh.
91, 92, 93.
Show me an image of a door.
94,
A door?
95,
Here you go.
96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Is that?
Alright. Let's get it right this time. Mwah. Woo! Are you kidding me? You guys, little mouse got stuck. Come here, buddy. Here, be free. Ah, look at you.
Oh, come on.
So I've got this goldfish here. He's gonna be blue. Now he's green. And now he's white. Wait. There's some clothes I don't put in the laundry just because, like this shirt. This is Twitter in real life. Hey buddy, go ahead and tweet.
Please like and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.